While studying at law school, it can be difficult to imagine the shape and colour your future career will take. For members of the LGBTIQ community, these personal struggles are intensified. The pressures of coming out personally and professionally, as well as fears about gaining the respect and acceptance of your peers, can make the prospect of entering the legal profession a daunting one. We sat down with Chief Justice of the South Australian Supreme Court, Chris Kourakis, Criminal Barrister Heather Stokes, Associate Professor Mary Heath, and Partner Richard Yates, to talk about their experiences as queer identifying and allying members of the South Australian legal profession. Their experiences reveal a profession eager to foster acceptance of the LGBTIQ community.
In retrospect, I think it's really hard to say how safe or how welcoming the law school was as a place to be out and queer at the time, because I was still at a point where I was so scared that it was hard for me to tell whether the world was really a safe place for me or not.
Well, when I was at law school, the question was narrower. It was basically gay rights and gay issues that were the major issue then. There wasn't much discussion of transgender issues.
So after about a year or so, I realised that this wasn't the way to live, and that's when I came out in the firm.
I figured that on the whole, the profession would be neutral about it. Some would be supportive. There might be some objection, but not very much. I didn't expect much opposition, and as it turned out, I got no opposition.
I didn't realise at the time how many gay people there are in the legal profession. I think when I came out, the fact that I received a lot of support from people in the firm, and I realised that the concerns I'd had before I came out professionally were misplaced. That support was really encouraging. So I definitely needed it at the time.
A couple of the court reporters said to me the other day, "You're just Heather now. Whatever you once were, you're just Heather."
While it may not be clear to you what career path you will take, these experiences show that there is a strong, welcoming network of queer and queer-friendly people throughout the legal profession in South Australia.
You can be proud of who you are, and that even though you may be afraid and hard things will happen, you don't have to give up, you don't have to give in, and you don't have to please everybody in life. I think it's really important to understand that you can live the life that you want, you can be the person that you want to be, and that may not please everybody, but it doesn't matter what you do, you will never please everybody. So I think it's really important to take your courage in both of your hands and move forward into the life that you want to have.